What up, guys? It's your boy Takum Dangubel. I'm back again to talk about my Great Britain Pound USD. Um, exactly what we had yesterday. Explain out is exactly the way I explained. Okay, yesterday I did explain to you guys. I did carry out some analysis. We were here yesterday. Yeah, it was a bullish candlestick with a long wick, and it was like forming a kind of shooting star or maybe a pin bar. So I told you guys that at this point when I'm seeing weak rejection, I know the market is reversing. So we are actually on a higher time frame, that's 4 hours time frame. I told you guys that I'm watching this market that very soon is turning. It's actually going down. Yeah, that's why I didn't even take a trade yesterday, because I was waiting for it to play it out, to play out. Then I see my direction. So there are a lot of confirmation. There are a lot of confirmation I'm seeing now that is telling me that the market's going to turn. Actually, I did explain to you guys yesterday when I saw this week rejection. I told you guys that actually the market can form a pin bar, or what you call, yeah, shooting star. Then we have another, like a bearish engulfing candle, to maybe a long bearish candle here. But if it doesn't place that way, it's gonna retrace a little bit and goes up towards my target. I mean, towards my trend line. You know, it was a trend line, upward trend line, towards this trend line, and bounces back just exactly as I explained. Look at it. It gives me a bullish candle again with another weak rejection. Then it gave another, they call it a spinning top. I think it's a spinning top, yeah. This kind of sticks, cramming them is not easy, but then I think it's spinning top. And now we are having what we call another bullish candle, leaving out weak rejection. It goes up, fails to break this level. This one fails to break this level. This one goes up, fails to break this level. And now we are coming down, and guess what is going to be formed here, guys? Guess what is going to be formed? Of course, it's evening star. It's evening star. Of course, it's evening star. Once we have the evening star here, after the 4 hours, once the candlestick closes here, we're gonna have an evening star, and that is a big confirmation to tell us that the market is going down. And if it is going down, I'm not gonna enter the trade down here. I'm gonna wait to the market reaches at my area of interest. What is the area of interest? Of course, it's my support level. It was first of all the resistance level, but now it's a support level. So at this support level, I'm just going to be watching. If we have a breakout, bam, I go down to a lower time frame and I put my snapper entry, bam, I'm always selling. But if it doesn't breaks, I'm thinking back, it just bounce, yeah, and maybe you can go higher again. But trust me, once the market reaches here, it means that it has actually break this structure. It's going to break this structure. When it breaks this structure, so will the market is turning. So what I'm expecting is for this candle to form an evening star, break this structure, and comes here. When it breaks the structure and comes there, I'm expecting to see some consolidation, a little bit of just like here, to give me maybe a shoulder, head and shoulder, just like here. And when it finally breaks, it's going down just as I've explained, and I'm waiting to at this target to exit the trade at this point, so let's see how many pips we'll be making if we actually watch the market at this point. I think it's like 2,270, 2,27 points. That is 202 pips. So I'm gonna be swinging this next week. I'm gonna carry this out because today is Thursday and tomorrow is Friday. I will see how the market plays, but I know from next week that's how the market is gonna play out. But remember, we are not in the downtrend, we are in the upward trend. So when it comes here, I'll just be watching. If it breaks my trend line, I short. If it doesn't break the trend line, I see the weak rejection, I long. So basically, that is simple. With this knowledge, this trend line support resistance knowledge, you can trade the forex market. You don't need many things to trade the forex market. You don't need indicators to be um, maybe to confuse you the more. So if with this simple strategy, you can trade and be profitable in forex. You can make a lot of money in forex with this simple technical analysis, guys. Just see how when you analyze, when you study it, you gonna make that money. Okay, guys, tomorrow is Friday. I just want to add to this video. um like I told you, I'm just trying to talk a lot of things, my beginners training journey. So I'm actually not focusing on maybe one or two things on my videos. I just want to be scalping, or maybe scalping everything I can lay my hands on to perfect my journey. So tomorrow is Friday. I just want to use this opportunity to go over my fundamentals, because actually that one is something I plan to start earlier. I want to see which news we have so far. Okay, I'm gonna check out uh Forex Factory. Forex Factory, that's where we have our news. There's also investing.com, but Forex Factory, I like Forex Factory because damn it, I'm not connected. What happened? Guys, let me switch my network. Let me put it on. First off. Okay. Okay. Forex Factory. Let's look at Forex Factory, what the news is telling us. Okay. Let's have Forex Factory, what the news is telling us, because I want to, if there's any highly impact news on one of my currency, tomorrow I'm gonna be trading. So damn, what's happening?